today we're hopping right in. We are gonna be doing my makeup outside featuring the farm animals. I have my Diet Mountain Dew, a wobbly table, my mirrors right here, some makeup, and a chicken poop in the back. But it's fine. My battery is also flashing that it's gonna die, so I'm gonna change that. All right, today I wanted to go ahead and do a quick little get ready with me. I don't use very much makeup usually, so yeah, we're just gonna hop into this, and I will try to find and link all of the items I use in the description below, so you can check that out. I am an affiliate with Amazon, just so you know. So I need to film a video today, so I wanted to actually get ready and look semi-approachable. The first thing I'm gonna be using is the alcohol-free toner. This is Neutrogena's. This will just kind of clear your pores and cleanse your skin. I usually do this before makeup, and then I do it at night, or I need to start doing it again at night because I haven't done it in a little bit. This gets all the nasty makeup off of your face. I will say this stuff does smell really nice. I'm also going to be filming a TikTok too while I'm doing this. Bro, there's a freaking hummingbird around me, and I'm terrified of birds, especially hummingbirds, because I feel like they're very aggressive. But that could also just be because I got chased by one when I was younger. So maybe they're not, and maybe I'm just a baby. Hi, it's me, editing Chelsea. I can confirm you are just a baby. The way it is. All right, now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my day/night cream. This is just stuff I got from Walmart. It's not expensive. It's the Collagen Moisturizer Day/Night Cream. I'm not sure if many people know about lean and like the lean culture, but it's pretty much like you want to try to eliminate waste. I think that's why I've gotten rid of a lot of the like old steps I used to have for makeup, because I feel like that is literally a waste of my time in a way. I think I just stuck my hand in chicken crap. We now have our base all done. I don't do too terribly much. I think my skincare is like 3 or 4 steps total. So yeah, I'm gonna be using my Hoola Bronzer. I use it a lot and it lasts so long. I like using bronzer on my eyelids as well as eyeshadow, because then if I decide to do any bronzer later, it just like looks more cohesive and more natural. You might honestly only be able to pick this up at Ulta or at Sephora or any other like makeup place. Now that that's done, I'm gonna use just a little bit of concealer on my problem areas, which are usually up here, and I'm almost out of concealer, so I'm gonna have to go buy more. Then I'm just gonna rub it in. I like using my hands. I don't really use a blender, a beauty blender anymore, just because, I don't know, I feel like they cake up a lot of gunk, and then I don't really want to put it on my face. Okay, now that that is done, I'm going to be putting on some bronzer, just a tiny bit along my cheekbones. When I say a tiny bit of this stuff goes far, it goes so far. And then pulling it up onto my forehead a little bit so it blends a little better. And then we're gonna put just a little bit under our chin. And that's all she wrote for the bronzer. Now I'm gonna be using some liquid liner, and I'm just gonna do a very small line across the top of my lid. Just a very small line. And I'm not gonna go all the way in. I'm just gonna kind of give it a tiny wing and then blend it into my lash line. I didn't mention this, but the concealer I used is the Maybelline Fit Me. As you can see, I'm out pretty much. I'm also using the LA Colors Smudge Proof Liquid Eyeliner. Really just any brown liquid eyeliner is one of my favorites. I think a fly just landed on me. Now that that is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows, and then I will hit it with some mascara, and that's literally it. We're gonna do our eyebrows. I'm gonna be using the Rimmel, is it Rimmel or Rimmel? I think it's Rimmel, London. Wonderlast Brow Tint for Days. This is in the shade Medium Brown. I'm gonna be using this. It's kind of like a liquid brow. So that's what it looks like. And then I just put some on my brows. And then it comes with a little brush at the very end, so we can do that just in a minute. Okay, now that that is on my brows, I can put the cap back on and I will just pull this out. This is what the end of the brush looks like. So it's got this little brush right here and then these like little tiny comb right there to kind of get the clumps out. I'm going in with the brush side. This wind is picking up, so I was struggling doing my brows, trying not to get that stuff in my hair. Next, I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. clear mascara gel stuff. I think this was like $2 when I first got it, but I'm gonna be using this and I'm gonna go over my brows and kind of set them in place a little more. I also like kind of more of like a messy brow at the front, so now that that's done, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline The Rocket Volume Express waterproof mascara. I got this a long time ago, quite a while ago, so it is on its last leg, and I just put this on the top. I don't want to put it on the bottom lashes. Let me know what you guys think, like in your own opinion, what natural makeup is and like what products you use. Like, is it the least amount of products you use that makes it natural for you, or is it like a natural look but you still use products? Okay, so that is everything for the makeup. I'm gonna be doing my hair really quick. I just need to style my bangs. We'll go inside and we'll style them. My hair is greasy and it is not wash day, so we are gonna be using the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak refreshing dry shampoo. This is just the original fragrance. The way that I do this is I'll part my hair and I'll spray near the root and then I'll brush it through my hair. And then we'll go to the next big section. These aren't like small sections. I feel like if I put too much concentration on one area, it looks like really bad. In the front, I'll part it like this, go to one side, get a spray across the roots, and then flip it back to the middle. The middle, you gotta be sparing though. If you part your hair on the middle or on the side, just make sure you're a little bit more sparing with how much you're putting there, because you can always blend some that you've sprayed in a different spot kind of up towards it, but if you put just a clump in the middle, it's gonna be there forever. I also pulled this little piece in the back forward because this is like my problem area, is the back. You can see how greasy it is. And we'll do this side. And one more for this side. All right, once I've kind of gone through and done a spot check, I'm just gonna brush my hair now. This is gonna kind of blend it out a little bit more, just in case I missed a spot. All right, and then I'm just gonna part my hair where I would like it to sit. Brooklyn gave me curtain bangs a little bit ago, and I absolutely love them. I think they're so cute. What I use to style my curtain bangs is this blow dryer brush. This is actually Brooklyn's, so thank goodness she lets me use it. But what I'll do is I'll kind of part my bangs off and put the rest behind my ear. Okay, now that we're at this point, what I'm gonna do is use this little roller. Your hair sticks to it without having to put another like cover or top on it. And I will just curl that through my bangs like so, and I'll leave it for probably about 5-10 minutes. And then I'll take it out, give my hair a little bit of hairspray, and then that's it. So I'll be back in about 10 minutes. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I'm so happy with it. Like literally this could take me 10 minutes if I wasn't filming. That is everything for this video. Like I said, I will try to link everything that I used in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification or bell icon so you get notified every single time I post. And I will see you guys in the next one.